100 were clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asked me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. Go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady who's walking around with me. And then she asked me, do I feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. Oh, I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, and I've got an aching head. So I give her the car keys, and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, oh, as I turn on the lights, I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, I say,